gyration is 2 meters. 2 meters. If the radius of gyration of the flywheel is 2 meters. This question has been asked several times. Likewise in PTU 2017, UPSC 2011, PEC 2013. Several times in the university examinations, including that of UPSC examination, this problem was asked. PEC 2013, UPSC 2011, and Punjab Technical University in the year 2017. Now, I present the solution. The solution will be like this. It is given that the power P is 300 kilowatt. It means 300 into 10 to the power 3 300 into 10 to the power 3 watt. CF is equal to CF, and the fluctuation of speed is to be kept within plus minus 1%. It means CF is equal to 0.2 times of this, 0.02. CF is equal to 0.02 from here. And the mean speed of the flywheel is 120 rpm. Mean speed of the flywheel is 120 rpm. So you can find omega out of it. And the mean speed of the flywheel is n is equal to 120 rpm. N 120 rpm. So coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Coefficient, we know that coefficient of fluctuation of energy is given as, it is indicated by UF. Coefficient of fluctuation of energy is given as UF, that is maximum fluctuation of energy. Maximum fluctuation of energy. Maximum fluctuation of energy divided by work done per cycle. Work done per cycle. It is already written in the formula. I dictated this formula. The coefficient of fluctuation of energy is given as UF is equal to maximum fluctuation of energy divided by work done per cycle. So, work done per cycle, it is also mentioned in the formula that is given by P into 60. For steam engine, it is divided by N. For 4-stroke engine, it is divided by N by 2. For 2-stroke engine and steam engines, it is divided by N. P is given as 60 into 10 to the power. P is given as 300. P is given as, already mentioned, 300 into 10 to the power 3 into 60 divided by N is given as 120. So this is the work done per cycle. Work done per cycle. It comes out to be, work done per cycle comes out to be 15 1000 Newton per meter. That is the work done per cycle. One lakh 50,000 Newton meter. This is the work done per cycle. Now, work done per cycle. Maximum fluctuation of energy you have to find out. Maximum fluctuation of energy, that is EF. You know that UF is equal to EF, that is maximum fluctuation of energy divided by work done per cycle. So UF is equal to 0.1. EF you have to find out. EF divided by 1 pi Newton meter is equal to 0.1 because UF is given as 0.1. So EF can be 15,000 Newton meter. EF can be EF will be the value of EF 15,000 Newton meter. Maximum fluctuation of energy will be this much. And you know that EF is equal to I omega square into CF. It is a standard formula. You have to find the diameter mass of the flywheel. I is equal to mk square omega square CF. You have to find the mass. EF is given. CF is given. The value of CF is also given. That is CF is equal to 0.02. The value of K is given as 2. I write it here separately. EF 15000 is equal to m k radius of gyration 2 square and omega is equal to 2 pi n is equal to 120 by 60 square of this and CF is equal to 0.02. It will give us the value of mass of flywheel. So 15000 m, it is 4, it is 2, 4, 16 pi square into 0.02. So the value of mass comes out to be 1187.35 kg. The value of mass of flywheel comes out to be 1187.35 kg. This is the mass of the flywheel. I think this is sufficient for today. So thanks everybody.